emete anene mense ya Kenya nigo liarenge rituko lyomutimo kwa saba Kenya kubaterana muna barai banyara ko bagwesokia na kwenekia buna banyare ko bagusimeka emete me county ya Kisii nigo abamenyi banyara ko bakomerana ase ebituno byansaria ase banyara ko bakorawa no muri kibotambe korwa ase wizara ya ICT Edward Kisianyi oyiboigo onyara ko bagosegeta abamenyi korwa ase county ya Kisii banyara ko bakogendera gusimeka emete
asomego yoboigo nigo omo county commissioner we county ya Kisii Tom Anjere na boigo mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati baba gwikirana awase obwamo na bananchi batira gochia ase ebitunu ebyo na gosimeka emete ekera bananchi bagenderete gosegetwa kwenekia buna ngosimeka bare emete imense ya Kenya
omoriki oitonde mo Steven anyara ko bagwikirana ase nsemenya gutwarigana roboti asinchire wime
take the photo.
Ensemo ya kibute me abonchari nigo mwega boko chingira rituko bosimeki bwe metoge ndererigwa omwego ikiranwa na barai aogati abo omo PS woboraria Edward Kisianganyi omo Gavana Arati Joash Mangi aba waziri be county aba MCA ebyombe au amona abamenyi
Hongera siku ya kuhimiza miti yetu, siku ya kupanda miti yetu.
Sana hiyo miti yenye tunaita eucalyptus itolewa kwa maji, lakini kwa vile Kenya nzima ilikuwa ichapitisha mswada kama huu, ilikuwa ni vigumu sana kwa kaunti ya Kisii kung'oa hiyo miti kutoka kwa maji. Kwa hivyo tunakuomba kama inawezekana Kenya mzima hiyo miti ing'olewe kutoka kwa maji.
Kuja hapa kupanda miti in line with the president's initiative to turn our country green. Tafadhali Mheshimiwa Simba, this is your time and your debut. Wakati yetu ilipita, it is your time, we will support you. Do your part, ndio tuendelee mbele.
Leo tuko na sherehe ya kupanda miti. Mlima ni ule, lakini ukitoka kwa huo mlima pia panda miti yako 10 kwako ojo sipeke mete kwa bane ayonyo to wati mot ayoja ko ruskingo mambi so kero munda simeko motoye emete boye abana basimeke abayori basimeke aseri bagalire
Arati nago kero moroberi bweri tuko asate be serikali ye county nebeke gosiremero beri bune yeiga erengete kurende binto bitonchoka naine wetera gosirana amone byombe au amone serikali enene.
This season as a county we have been given a target of 100,000 seedlings to be planted during this launch and the prevailing rains. We have already overachieved the target by distributing for planting 102,000 trees seedlings for various varieties as follows. In Saria, 2,500 seedlings, Yangweta, 7,500 seedlings. In other sub-counties, 92,000 seedlings. Let me take this opportunity to stress that my administration is committed towards environmental conservation, forest conservation, and overall fight against climate change.
Plant these trees, but let this planting of trees not be the beginning, the end of everything. It must be the beginning of everything. You must continue with this exercise. The community members wale watu wa hapa, tukipanda miti mchunge miti.
Ensemo ya yomogeni bwesiko nigo mo PS Edward Kisianganyi abori ogokea kwa mabirere ya kisiasa ime ya Kisii asabori abarai gosikana.
So this segmentation of our leadership and our people is not good for our country. We shall have another time to do the contest and go back to the people to ask for their mandate. But as long as we are here now, whoever is the MP is the MP of the people. Whoever is the governor is the governor of the people. We have a duty to unite our people and work together with our people to make sure that the government agenda is achieved.
Magega yebi karo asegeti gia kebute niga barai amona abamenyi bagende ya mase getunwa giansaria asomoro beri bobo simeki bwemete. Kuripoteria Ndizi TV korwa ensemo ya Nsaria ebunge ya Bonchari county ya Kisii ediatariane Ndemo Steven.